Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Mina Harper by Mina Baie. This is a beautiful little diaper bag. This is the mini version of their popular Harper bag that's made of real leather, and let me just tell you, this is stunning. I've been wanting a new diaper bag for a while. I've been through so many. I've had the huge over the shoulder ones, I've had giant size backpacks, I've had the fawn design, what else? I've had Marc Jacobs, I've had a Lulu BB, and I found out about Mina Baie through Instagram. It's an LA based company and they make real leather bags and they also make faux leather bags, but this one is called the Harper and this is a real leather bag. This is the miniature version. They have a full size Harper and this is the mini version, and this is clay, which is kind of like a grey taupey color. Maybe looks a bit more grey on camera, but it is kind of taupey in real life, which I really like. The reason I chose the miniature version was because I have a 3-year-old daughter and I have a 15-month-old son, and I was just sick of carrying around the kitchen sink basically. So I decided that I wanted something really cute and slick that I could just kind of put on my back and it not be too heavy and weigh me down. And I really just wanted something that didn't look like a diaper bag, which is exactly kind of the idea of Mina Baie's products. This bag retails for $198, so it's not cheap, but as I said, it's real leather. It has beautiful gold hardware, and it has a lot of nice features. It has a magnetic pocket at the front, it has a zipper on the side. It is just perfect for putting your phone in and keeping it secure. It has a zipper on the back, and that goes all the way down the length of the bag. The zipper at the front runs all the way across really nicely and smoothly along there, and it can clip here too, but I like to keep it open. Inside it actually has 7 pockets. It has a pocket for your iPad that's padded. It has a zippered pocket in there, and then it has some more elasticated pockets, a big one at the back, 2 at the sides. They're perfect for putting sippy cups, and then 1 at the front. And also in front of the one at the front, it has a nice little zippered pocket. There, you can see that there. So you can put like personal items and keep them nice and safe in there. What I also like about this bag is that it has a really good grab handle. It has studded feet, so it keeps the bag well protected. You can adjust the backpack straps obviously, so depending on your height. I'm really tiny, and I've found that with some backpacks they just still go too low, whatever setting I had them on. I'm only 5'1", but these, perfect. You can go super short, super long. So I was really impressed with this bag. It feels lovely, it looks expensive, and I feel like I could use it for other things other than a diaper bag, which is ideal, especially when you're spending almost $200. And this bag actually comes in a few different colors. This is the clay grey. It also comes in black. It comes in blush, which is a nice kind of nudie pink, not a bright pink. It also comes in plum raisin, which is kind of a browny purple, but more kind of browny color. Comes in a beautiful tan color. Yeah, but I went with the clay. I thought it would be kind of the most neutral-ish to go with everything in my wardrobe. So now I'm going to show you how I pack this diaper bag. So I have a 3-year-old and a 15-month-old. So I will show you how I pack this for the minimalist lifestyle. So first of all, 2 sippy cups, 1 for each of my children. So I put both of these in the side elastic pockets. They fit perfectly in there. Then the wipes necessities, the 24 pack. Just slot that in the back elastic pocket right there. Then I like to carry just a little plastic bag with a disposable changing pad, a diaper, and a pair of underwear. So I like to grab that so I can put in whatever bag I'm using. So I'll just put that in there, just right in the middle, down there. And then I use these roll-up bibs. So these are perfect for my 15-month-old son. They're out and about. So I put that in the middle too. That's in there. Then obviously snacks. Hand sanitizer. Just pop that in the front, in there. A little makeup bag that I just have some lip gloss and lip salve in. Just put that in the front too. In there. Then I use the little zip pocket, kind of like a mini wallet. I could put a card holder in here, but I'm waiting for a new one, so I'm just going to slot my credit cards in there that I use. Hairbrush that folds up with a little mirror. I can go in the front too. And that zips up nicely there. So then just pop in my sunglasses. I like to just have them on top so I can get them in and out when I'm in the car. And that's pretty good for the inside for me, I feel. Zip that up. Now I know some people put their phone just in here in the magnetic bit, which is totally fine. If you want a little bit more security, I quite like to put it in the zip bit here. So you can just slot in. It slots in really nicely. This is the iPhone 7, but it slots in really easy. And there you have it. All packed up and ready to go. Now I know that a lot of people kind of debate between getting the mini and the full-size Harper. To be honest, I feel like this is a good way to go. If you want to go out on an all-day trip, no, this might not serve you. But how many times do you go out on an all-day trip? That's how I kind of rationalized it. I think this is perfect for a trip to Target. If you want to go to a Mummy and Me class, you know, if you're going to be out for a few hours, I think this is ideal. If you're a heavy packer, maybe get the larger size. But if you can get away with the small size, then take the small size because it's much cuter and it's much lighter on your back. So now I'm just going to show you how the mini Harper looks on the body. Just bear in mind that I'm only 5'1", so I'm pretty short. Okay, now it doesn't come with a crossbody strap. It just has the backpack straps and the little grab handle here, but it does have these little hooks here that I guess you can either put stroller straps to, or perhaps down the line get a larger strap, like a crossbody strap. I think they may be coming out with one down the line, so maybe you could do that and wear it crossbody. That would be awesome. But for now, this is how I like to wear it. Okay, so this is the mini Harper on my back. Super cute. Or just with the one strap. Or sometimes I'll just wear this bag just kind of hooked over my arm, like so. So also just for sizing, this is 9.5 across by 12 inches high by 5 inches deep. Anyway, I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you do have any questions about the Mina Baie Harper, please feel free to write them below and I'd love to try and answer them for you. And do check out minabaie.com. She has some beautiful bags on her website. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.